Chapter 2. Singular and plural nouns. Let's learn singular and plural nouns. A singular noun stands for one person, place or thing. A plural noun stands for more than one person, place or thing. Look at the pictures and read the given sentences. The cow is grazing. The cows are grazing. The noun cow stands for only one animal, so it is in the singular number. On the other hand, the noun cow stands for more than one cow, so it is in the plural number. The girl is singing. The girls are singing. Here, the noun girl is in the singular number, and the noun girls is in the plural number. Remember, the words this, that, I, you, me, my, mine, is, am and was are used as singular nouns. The words these, those, you, us, are, ours, are and were are used as plural nouns. You is both singular and plural, but it always takes a plural verb. Let's learn formation of plurals. We have read the rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun in the previous classes. Let us revise them. Plurals are usually formed by adding an s to the singular nouns. Pen, pens, book, books, student, students. Nouns ending in ch, sh, s, and x form their plurals by adding es to the singular nouns. Bench, benches, bush, bushes, class, classes, box, boxes, atlas, atlases, fox, foxes. Nouns ending in consonant plus y form their plurals by changing y to ies, baby, babies, candy, candies, story, stories. Nouns ending in a vowel plus y form their plurals by simply adding s to the singular nouns. Boy, boys, ray, rays, valley, valleys. Nouns ending in a consonant plus o form their plurals by adding es to the singular nouns. Potato, potatoes, buffalo, buffaloes. Some nouns ending in consonant plus o form their plurals by adding s instead of es to the singular nouns. Photo, photos, zero, zeros, piano, pianos. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe to ves, half, halves, wife, wives, knife, knives, calf, calves. Some nouns ending in f do not follow this rule and make their plurals by simply adding s to the singular nouns. Chief, chiefs, hoof, hoofs, brief, briefs. Some nouns form their plurals by changing the form of words. Child, children, louse, lice, mouse, mice. Some nouns form their plurals by changing their inside vowels. Goose, geese, foot, feet, man, men, tooth, teeth. Some more formation of plurals. Some nouns remain the same in both singular and plural forms. Sheep, deer, fish, cattle. Fish, fish, fishes. Fishes denote different types of fish. Some nouns are always used in plural forms because they are always in pairs. Trousers, scissors, tongs, shorts.